Here I have Tesla Model Y, and on this example let me show you how to enable the dark mode. Let's begin. So in order to have access to those settings, all you need to do is use the car icon in the left down corner. Here let's scroll down to display. And here we've got appearance. In my case I was using auto, so it's quite convenient because the car automatically switches between light and dark mode when it's appropriate to. But in my case, let me show you how to use the dark mode. So let's use the middle toggle, and now as you can see you've got the dark mode, so you can check out how your device looks in the dark mode. If that's what you need, let's use it. If not, you can go back, choose display again and select light or auto in my case. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.